In this video, I'll show you how to find viral hashtag that skyrocket your content, whether on YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook, or any social media platform, step-by-step tutorial. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell so each time I post valuable content, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to find viral hashtag for your social media content, whether YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram. All this is free. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to open up your browser, and then you have to come to address bar from the top right here and type in logicalboss.com, then press enter key. So that is the website we're going to use to generate free viral hashtag that can skyrocket your content online. Okay, alright, so it's going to open up to this particular web page. Next thing you want to do is to just simply scroll down, and then you have variety of the platform whereby you can use to generate content on this particular website, such as social media assistant, written, blog, business setup tools, sales, etc. But in this particular tutorial, what we want to learn is how to generate hashtag for your content. So I'm going to use YouTube as a case study. So I'm going to select YouTube right here. So it's going to take you to this particular page. Next thing you want to do is to just scroll down. Then you have to navigate to YouTube hashtag generator. Click on that. Then take you to this particular page. And let's see how to use this particular web page to generate viral hashtag for our YouTube content. Now you will be asked to present the title of the content, the topic. So I'm going to press Ctrl V just to paste the topic of my content right here. This is the first thing you want to do. Then followed by the keyword of the content. So I'm going to add this as my keyword. So your keyword here needs to relate to the topic of the content. So if you take a look at this topic of the content right here, how to add font in CapCut, easy, quick, and tutorial. Now you see my keyword right here, which is add font in CapCut. I put comma, then CapCut tutorial, comma, then CapCut. So this is how you need to enter your keyword, and your keyword character should not be exceeded 100%, and likewise your title should not be 100% or so. Next thing you want to do is to come to the number right here. You can just put 10 right here. Then next thing you want to do is to just press enter key on your keyboard. Then it's going to generate the hashtag in a very quick minute. So take a look at it. So you can see the hashtag has been generated. So right here we have hashtag CapCut font, hashtag CapCut tutorial, hashtag video editing tips, hashtag CapCut hacks, hashtag font addition. So what you want to do right here is to just click on this copy icon right here. So immediately you copied it, then you can use the hashtag in your video description or your tag section for your YouTube content. The same way you use this as for your YouTube content, you can also generate hashtag for your Instagram, for your Facebook, or for your Twitter post. Use this particular same website. So by the time I scroll down right here, you see a lot of tools that you can use for Facebook on this particular website. So this is how to find viral hashtag for your content, whether Facebook or YouTube or Twitter or Instagram. A step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about how to grow your social space. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.